Do you have a chorja? Porrick Jack, chulchip. So the Oran on Lay, song a day for May. I'm going to play a song now called Gheal, which is on my latest album, song I translated a few years ago. I'm going to be making a couple of trips to County Cork in the next week or so. I'm going to be playing in, I'll be joining Hermitage Green on Monday night in Sea Church for a couple of songs as a guest, and I'm also going to be playing in Fermoy at the Richmond Revival on Saturday week. That's the 10th of May as well in Fermoy, Mid Cork, North Cork, Northeast Cork, is it? Would it be classified as? So yeah, here's my Oran an Lay song a day for May. Shadi Gheal. That's going to go that one. Should tan of us. Eddie Gheal in my life salabo. Eddie Gheal evening lodge fear Holas rochi car Gimmoch wams in the August Trace Mel Hosho Vita Wemmy Wem Gheal me the body Fod na balche Horte man the rogini The loshtin is brew Chura me fuyashter Wincher na hoche Eg fis rufokol No fire food Is lor the milche Hashtel moich kajisha Is min